Picture this. You step into a tiny workshop, hit one button, and a compact machine starts turning cheap everyday materials into products people buy without thinking. Most folks have no clue these micro workshop machines even exist, but today you're about to see the ones quietly earning people real daily income. Today, I'm going to show you 15 profitable food machines you can use to start a home business with low cost, high demand, and profits that will surprise you. Let's start. Number 1. Churro making machine. Who can resist fresh churros, crispy on the outside and soft on the inside? This machine is designed to make churros in minutes, fast, clean, and with a professional finish that grabs attention instantly. It uses an extruder that shapes the dough directly into hot oil, producing churros with perfect shape and texture. It's compact, easy to use, and requires no technical skills, just a good recipe and the desire to sell. Price? Around $140 and up. And the profitability is impressive. If you sell portions for $2 to $3 each, you can make $80 plus per day, especially in high traffic spots like fairs, parks, and schools, or even selling by order from home. Add toppings, sauces, and eye-catching packaging, and you'll have customers lined up every afternoon. And if that sounds good, wait until you see the next machine. Number 2. Donut making machine. Have you noticed how donuts sell well in every season? This machine lets you produce fluffy, golden donuts in seconds right from your kitchen. You simply pour the mix into the funnel and the machine shapes and fries them automatically. No experience needed. Price range $40 to $1,500 depending on how basic or automated it is. With steady sales to schools, birthdays, fairs, or even from your window, many sellers can profit $100 plus per day. And if you sell through social media, your income can jump fast. Add glazes, toppings, and fillings, and they become irresistible. Number 3. Empanada making machine. If there's one product that never disappears from breakfasts, gatherings, or street sales, it's empanadas. This machine, manual or automatic, helps you produce them quickly and consistently. Manual version, please dough plus filling, press and seal. Automatic version forms and seals continuously for higher production. Price $30 to $800 depending on if it's manual or automatic. Selling per unit or per dozen, you can reach $80 to $120 per day depending on your area and flavors. Perfect for deliveries, fairs, or supplying local shops. Number 4. Waffle and waffle cup machine. This machine doesn't just make waffles, it makes them into a visual product that sells itself online. It creates waffle cups you can fill with fruit, ice cream, chocolate, or even savory ingredients. Just pour the mix, close the mold, and in minutes you have a perfectly shaped waffle cup. Price $30 and up. Profit margins are high. Sell 30 to 50 units per day, and you can easily hit $1,500 plus per month, especially with social media marketing. Number 5. Hamburger patty maker, manual plus automatic. A good-looking burger can launch a home business, and you don't need a restaurant or chef skills. Manual version, press meat in a mold to get perfect patties in seconds. Automatic version feeds meat continuously and produces patties non-stop, perfect for bulk orders or events. Price, manual $30 to $250, mid-range automatic $300 plus. Sell burgers for $4 to $6, and with just 20 sales per day, you can earn $80 to $120 daily from home. Number 6. Cotton candy machine. Cotton candy is visual, nostalgic, and instantly attracts crowds. You add sugar, the heater melts it, and centrifugal force spins it into thin threads that you collect into a fluffy cloud. Price, compact home models under $150, more professional $300 plus. Each serving costs cents but sells for $2 to $3. At fairs or parties, you can make $80 to $150 per day easily. Number 7. French fry cutter machine. One potato can become dozens of perfect fries, and that turns into serious profit. This machine uses pressure to cut potatoes into sticks in seconds. Some models include multiple blades, spiral, grid, or rustic cuts. Price, manual $40, automatic $400 plus. 1 kilogram of potatoes costs very little, but when sold as portions, it can turn into $8 to $30 depending on location. Daily income $80 to $120, especially with combos and delivery. Number 8. Popsicle making machine. A delicious mix, molds, and freezing time, and you're selling a product perfect for warm climates and events. Options: silicone molds from around $20, simple cold chamber around $75, semi-industrial machines $400 plus. Cost per popsicle under 30 cents, but selling for $1.50 to $2.50. Selling 100 per day can generate up to $150 daily, especially with creative flavors. Number 9. Pizza oven. Pizza sells all year, and you don't need a full restaurant to profit. Electric pizza ovens priced at $85 to $700 can reach high heat and cook pizzas in 5 to 7 minutes. Ideal for home delivery and small events. Cost per pizza under $2. Selling price $6 to $10. At 10 to 15 pizzas per hour, daily revenue can reach $120 to $200 plus, depending on demand. Number 10. Bread making machine. Imagine turning the smell of fresh bread into daily income. These machines mix, knead, rise, and bake automatically. You just add ingredients. Price $69 from. Cost per loaf around 70 cents. Selling price $3 to $4, more if gourmet. Make 15 to 20 loaves per day and you can earn $45 to $80 daily from home. And that's it. 15 profitable food machines you can use to make money from home. If you enjoyed this list, subscribe and turn on the bell, because here we only share small businesses with real profit potential. Now, tell me in the comments which machine would you try first and why?